Hi, I'm Jeff Burkhardt, Spartan RV Chassis. I wanted to talk to you today about part of our Spartan ingenuity and innovation, and that is our side mount service center. Exclusively for Spartan. We're the only ones in the industry. Our goal is to make sure that everything is as easily accessible as possible. Would it be easier and cheaper to put our products in different areas? Absolutely. But that's the value that we provide, is wanting to make sure that everything is right here. So whether you do it yourselfer, or even if you take it in to have all the service work done, we want to make sure that everything is done in a timely manner. Areas like the filters, would it be easier for us, engineering-wise, to put in different places? Absolutely. But it's for your benefit that we want to make sure that everything is right here. Batteries, fuses, battery shutoffs, as many filters as possible. Why? Again, easy accessibility. Now, of course, when you get up to the big 605 of our K3 chassis, we have only a couple of filters in there because they're so massive. But again, our ingenuity, we just put it around, you lift your engine compartment door, and they're right there, easily accessible. Side mount service center for Spartan RV Chassis, again, exclusively on Spartan.